Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Dominator D1 side steps from Go Rhino, available for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. The D1 steps run the entire length of the body of your Wrangler from the front fenders all the way to the rear, not only giving you some additional rocker protection on your Jeep, but also making it much easier for you and your passengers to get in and out of your Wrangler. The Dominator D1 side steps feature an extra wide step platform that's enhanced with some additional traction created by Go Rhino's signature hexagon pattern here that features some raised edges to really give you a great sure footing. And not only is it a wide step, but it also drops down from the rocker. It's especially helpful if you've got a lift and oversized tires installed on your Jeep. Now, these side steps utilize Go Rhino's no drill mounting points that utilize all the factory mounting locations for the factory side steps, and that means they're a simple bolt-on installation without requiring any kind of cutting, drilling, or modification to the body of your Wrangler. Now, just like every other Go Rhino product, these are going to feature their signature lightly textured black powder coat that's going to look great no matter what color Jeep you have. Now, if you guys want to get more information or purchase a set of the Go Rhino Dominator D1 drop-down side steps for your 2018 or newer Jeep Wrangler JL, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the steps, you can leave those for us in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Of course, you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. See you guys out on the trail. Side steps run the There's a gnat. Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com.